Chris!
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm editing AccuAir's next vlog. It's going okay.
It's going to A-okay.
I want to go there.
From a scale of 1 to suicidal.
This verse I'm writing for our rap is going
Helen Keller.
Helen Keller.
okay.
With your boys.
Here we are again with another Zwing field vlog.
Turner resigned this morning. How about that? Said it was personal issue.
Yeah, right here is great.
Details. Mike Zimmer, from the quotes that we heard from him, appeared to be.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. How are you? Good to see you. I just found you. Yeah? I brought a. You saw my car?
I haven't seen it yet. I know it's at the North Hall.
Yeah. Chris!
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm editing AccuAir's next vlog. It's going okay.
It's going to A-okay.
About be okay, I'd say. Still got a lot more to go there.
From a scale of 1 to suicidal.
This verse I'm writing for our rap is going
Helen Keller.
Helen Keller.
okay.
It's up there.
Trying to get to the end.
It might come out in like another 6 months.
What's up, Zwingfilms?
What's up, dude? What time is it?
12:30. Time for you gonna watch.
What day is it?
Oh.
I wasn't prepared for those guys. I don't go home.
You working for Zwing?
Sometimes. Bodyguard.
Quit! Seriously. Can you take your bags?
Go down the hallway.
Okay.
Alright.
Thanks, man.
Okay.
Try that.
Does it look awkward now? Oh, cool. I like it now.
We're live at SEMA.
We got Zwingfilms and Northwest Crafted Interiors here at SEMA in the most exclusive club here. It's called Lucky's Casual Eatery. Sounds casual, but you gotta be.
So you bought a bottle, right, for us?
Oh, I bought all the bottles for us. Out here at Lucky's, popping Starbucks mocha bottles. Most exclusive drink. Who's the hot chick standing next to you? Yeah, that's nice.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, it's Rich Light from Glossa Car Care Products, and it is SEMA Day 3, 2016. We're doing a live class here. This is my good buddy Gil from Empire Car Wash and Detail in Long Island. And we've got this custom BMW that we're going to be teaching on the proper application of our Evo Quartz Coating Pro 9H ceramic finish. We've got students from all over the world learning how to polish correctly on this black M3 that had a lot of common swirl marks and scratches. These guys are from different parts of the world. We've got England, we got Puerto Rico, we got Bermuda, Canada, Mexico, and we're teaching them the art of how to do a ceramic coating, which we call Evo Quartz Pro 9H. So right now you can see the machines working. We got a student over here, he's from Maryland. He's using our Evo 21 dual action polisher, and that polisher is to remove swirl marks and scratches that you commonly see in black vehicles.
What do you think about the car?
Love it.
Yeah? Is it German enough for you?
It's pretty German.
It's pretty German?
You guys see, nobody buffed there. So normally you guys use alcohol and water to strip them. spent the last 30 days building in Vegas. It's going to be quite a D-block, you guys. Getting the car here was not easy. A lot of difficulties, breakdowns, running out of gas, flat tires, broken floors, and a lot of stress, but the final result was worth it. And we're going to reveal this car right now. I'm Rich, by the way. I'm the owner of Boston Car Care Products, and thanks for coming out today. We really appreciate this. And I was actually looking forward to your response. So, you guys ready to see it come off? Yeah, let's do it.
You gotta bring it to the East Coast, bro. You gotta bring the East Coast back for sure.
Have to. Alright, the car is here. Completed. What do you think?
It's fucking incredible.
Thank you, Brad.